Yeah.
Me too. I had to spend half of my entire money on that thing.
I remember the food court,
Oh yeah.
the
We
boba
got.
sat.
Oh, the fries. Well, the fries were so huge. It was like
Oh
a
yeah, I
bucket of
remember we had
fries.
so many leftover fries.
Yeah. Like, I get that many potatoes, man.
Potato, cause
And
they're
then,
from Ireland.
and then at the end, we got like a soda. After we went into the pool area.
I wanna go. I wanna go somewhere with like everybody in the group chat right now. That'd
Even
be
Johnny
fun.
Test.
No, Johnny Test is gay. Oh wait, he's the same as RJ. So technically, I don't want to go to with RJ.
Wait, how many
Oh,
people in this
okay.
group that would go?
Wait,
I know,
where?
like theoretically,
Wait,
to
how
go
many?
go anywhere with like the entire group, like Great America camping.
Okay, I would definitely
Disney.
not be allowed to go like to amusement park though.
Oh, rip.
Like no, like what if coronavirus ends, like that, you know?
Well, yeah, probably.
Okay, I feel like it would be so fun if we all.
I would be able to go. I'm pretty sure like my parents would allow anything as long as I don't have like any plans.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. Mine
Yeah,
too.
Great America
My,
would be
my parents are
cool.
pretty nice about going out with friends.
Yeah.
If
Well,
there's
she
nothing
did
going
nice
on.
6 times then.
Wait, but it's co-virus.
Coronavirus. The Rona.
What about
That's
Gru Rona?
gay. That's gay.
The boys.
But I just
We should
did.
go back to Great America.
I don't want to go back to Granny's house.
Oh my god. Wait, what if we all went hiking and camping?
That sounds fun.
Yeah,
sounds
I've never
fun.
camped before though.
Anybody want to come in my tent? Ha ha ha. What do you
Wait,
mean,
okay, I
you
feel like-
RJ? What are you thinking
Again,
about?
I
We're
feel
just
like it would be super
sleeping.
fun if all of us just went like Grand America.
Yeah.
I could be like,
We
oh my
had the
god,
whole
we're going
park to
down the loop.
ourselves.
Yeah, and then I would have an actual confidence to go on the rides.
Good, good, good,
Except
good, good, good.
Railblazer. Oh god. Oh god, no.
Okay,
Hey,
Railblazer's
Railblazer's
scary.
is like
It's really scary. Railblazer.
Yeah. Maybe it's Flight Deck.
Flight Deck is awesome. It's my favorite, right? Okay, it's probably either my favorite or my second.
I don't know.
Definitely Patriot. I wanna go on Patriot.
I actually haven't gone on Patriot.
Which
I
one is
haven't
Patriot
either.
again?
I haven't went on Patriot either.
Okay, I was like, which one is Patriot?
Patriot, Great America.
Welcome to Style X, lady.
Patriot has a bunch of loops. Oh my god.
Oh, baby. Oh yeah, I remember Flight Deck was the one where you like the one where it hangs.
Yeah. Oh.
I don't really like those ones because it feels like you're gonna fall.
Yeah. My the Great America experience from 6th grade was like cool, but like it was underwhelming. I want to go on more.
I feel like it went by too fast.
Thank you. Okay, the swimming part was so fun though.
Oh my god. Okay, I need to learn swimming to go on the swimming areas.
Cool.
That would be cool.
Go, you don't even need to learn swimming. You just float there.
But I like floating. Okay.
Okay, not gonna lie, you're probably tall enough to stand in most.
Exactly.
Yeah,
the
that's what I
pipes.
did. You know the 4-foot pool we went in? Like I just stood up, because my head was still over it. I could probably stand a bit with my torso up right now.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Flight Deck doesn't look too bad, except the parts with, like the parts with the kind of like it spins around a bit. They kind of look weird.
Okay. My only worry is that either the pool is way too tall and I can't stand in it, or I get drifted away. Like I'm just walking and then it trips me and then I fall face forward.
What about Groove?
Wait, do you need to flap your feet this one?
What? What?
So
You
you
need
need
a
to flap.
kick.
Yeah, kick.
Okay, and some of them. I mean, actually, wait,
It's
what do
not
you mean,
really
like flap your
kicking how
feet?
you think it is. It's just moving
Yeah.
up and down.
Well, I mean, some of them, and like for the frog thing, like I called it the frog thing.
Okay, breaststroke is hard though. Getting
Yeah.
it
Okay.
coordinated.
Okay. Dolphin is like one of the hardest.
RJ, would you be able
Like
to
for
go
me.
gym
Okay,
right
I
now?
actually thought butterfly was easy.
Yeah, butterfly was pretty easy, but dolphin
I,
was.
I want to go to swimming classes, but I want
It's
to
it's
do
just
it with someone.
okay. Butterfly is actually kind of fun, but it's kind of tiring because you have to go like up and down when you're underwater, and then you have to jump out of the water.
Okay, guys, I wanna learn swimming, but it's just I don't feel comfortable unless I know someone there.
Okay, what the frick? Patriot doesn't even look that bad. It goes kind of slow.
Yeah. Okay, cool. The thing is though, I don't think it would make sense for any of us besides like maybe like RJ or so to go with you to the swimming
Wait, what
place
about
because
Justin? Justin C.
I don't know.
Justin
No,
C.
like one, we have to pay for it, and two, like the majority of people here are already really good, so they wouldn't even need the same kind of
Wait,
fee.
if we go, did you guys bring goggles?
No.
I brought goggles.
Why? Oh, goggles.
Okay, cool. Maybe okay. You should try like getting like a
Yeah,
private.
goggles are really important if you want to see underwater. Cause like some people can look underwater when swimming, but I don't think you should do it. I don't think it's really good.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Like
Cool.
I can't open it all the way. I can only I have to
Wait,
squint a
amateur.
bit,
Yeah.
and then
Okay,
you
you.
still
Okay.
can't see much.
Cool. So you should try and get some a class with like not a lot of people in it because like then that means like the instructor can focus on you a lot and like you learn a lot more.
Yo, what the frick? Look,
Well,
I
I
found
just
my
want to know the
recommendations.
bare minimum of swimming.
Well, I mean, then you don't even have to take lessons, Koa. If you just
Guys, look. This is what I found my recommendations. Let's
Like
go.
all I want is the private swimming pool and my mom.
okay, Koa. The
She's
thing
gonna
is
tell
though,
us.
like okay, the thing is though, like to the bare minimum, then like we can just show you. Like
You guys have a pool?
no, like I was like, why has Circle Greninja?
You
I
got
didn't
cheeks.
realize.
You got cheeks. wait. Justin Z has a pool, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it goes kind of deep though
Oh.
at the end part. But I think it should be fine if you're like around the steps.
Okay. If I drown and I die, I'm gonna haunt you guys.
I don't know how to like save somebody who's drowning. Like, can you just lift them up and kick up? Does that work?
I don't even know. There has to be an adult around, like Justin's dad or something, or mom. I saw your penis in my room. I'm gonna do the WAP on OJ. You ready, OJ? Nothing.
What?
WAP. Wappuccino! I'm a WAP. That's a WAP. That's a WAP. I didn't know she was 12.
You got a nut in me.
If you're racist and gay, clap your hands. RJ claps. If you're racist and gay, clap your hands. RJ
I'm only
claps.
the first part. I'm only the first part.
Wait, what?
I'm kidding.
Okay, good. If you're racist and gay, clap your hands. RJ claps. I mean, if you're racist and gay, clap your hands. Gerald claps.
I agree.